What's happening, crypto fam? Happy Wednesday. Good morning and welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott and it's a pleasure to have you here. I appreciate you taking the time out to consume the content, so thank you. Today, we're going to talk about side hustle. It ain't a side hustle you think. This is Ripple's Director of Products side hustle, baby. Now, we'll keep trying to say to people, get a little something going on the side. Get a little something going on the side, whether it's a hobby, something you're interested in, little side hustle, and grow it and see what it grows into, see where you end up. Ozai, sit down or get back out, mate. I'm not fucking about. So, yeah, this guy here, mate. This is what I'm leaning towards. It don't matter what your job is, don't matter the position you're in. If there's something else you'd like to do, then go and do it in your spare time. Stop going to the pub, stop going to the football, stop wasting your money on shite vices that don't truly make you happy, and go and turn a hobby into revenue. Now, Ripple's Director of Product is rolling out the beta version of Payburner, an XRP-based e-commerce payments platform. In a new Twitter thread, Craig DeWitt says Payburner is designed to make it extremely easy to send and receive instant global payments. The new product, which started as DeWitt's side project, functions as a non-custodial wallet. DeWitt says the responsibility of safely storing the funds falls on the users, as Payburner won't have access to their passwords. Payburner also allows users to send and receive payments using PayID. Users can set up their PayID upon sign up, which they can share to enable instant global payments. To send payment, users can simply input the PayID of the recipient, enter the amount of XRP to send, and click send. To request payments, users can input the PayID of the person they're requesting money from, enter the amount requested, and add an optional message. For example, using PayID. The platform also offers one-click e-commerce payment capabilities. DeWitt says the merchant must have a Payburner account to enjoy the easy-to-use checkout feature. To facilitate the process, the Ripple executive points out that they are done integrating the Payburner plugin with WordPress, making it available to approximately 455 million websites. Damn, there's a lot of sites. There's more sites than there are people in America, just for anyone wondering. It's like 380 million people in America. To keep the business sustainable, DeWitt says they plan to charge a minimal fee from merchants. Interesting. We expect to make money from the one-click merchant payout experience by requesting payments from merchants at 1% of their received XRP e-commerce purchases. Peer-to-peer payments and peer-to-peer requests are not charged any fee. Oh yeah, charge a merchant. So the merchant gets charged. Any peer-to-peer would not be charged, it would be free. Payburner does not have the ability to withdraw funds from any account, and we are not in the middle of any transactions, so we send requests to merchants for fee collection. DeWitt notes that Payburner plugin currently supports Chrome and Brave browsers, with the promise that the platform will also be available in more browsers and iOS and Android apps. Very, very interesting. Let's go to the Twitter. Let's go to the Twitter poke. Because where they broke, they all got the story from here, so they all ran. So, Craig DeWitt, go and give him a follow if you don't already follow him. Introducing the beta for new P2P payments platform on XRP. Payburner.com is now live. What? And he did a Medium post. Come on, Scott. He even did a Medium post and I read someone else's article. I'm sorry, Craig. Ether. Take my apologies to Craig. I shouldn't have read that other thing. What I should have just read. Oh no, go to Medium. I should have just read, I should have dug a little deeper this morning while I was making my brew. And come straight Continuing mobile app, mate. We'll come straight to Craig's blog on Medium about it. Only 5 days ago, not even 5 days ago, 4 days ago, it's 29th today. 29th, 4 days ago. Today, Payburner is launching the beta for a new platform that enables instant global peer-to-peer payments. Our growing network feature set includes a browser plugin, PayID integration, request for payments with encrypted peer-to-peer messaging, PayID network search, and a brand new e-commerce flow for one-click checkout experiences. So getting started, we've made improvements to the onboarding flow for the first-time users and existing Payburners. Step 1, download the plugin from here. Links there. This will be in the description, guys. Today we support Brave and Chrome browsers on your computer. More browsers and iOS, Android apps to follow. Let us know which ones you want added, first. Step 2. If you already have a legacypayburner.com account, after you download the plugin, check the plugin icon in your browser and import your previous account file. For brand new users, after you download the plugin, select Create Account. Choose the first option for Fund a New Account with the invitation code. You'll need to send XRP to your account to fund it initially. Send a max of 22 XRP, anything above that won't reach your account. If you make a mistake here or need help, reach out to us on Twitter at Payburner. Send a max of 22 XRP to open the account, activating it. Anything above that won't reach the account. Interesting. Payburner's mission is to deliver excellent internet-based payment experience, starting with peer-to-peer payments and e-commerce. We believe strongly in the freedoms of digital assets like XRP deliver to individuals and businesses. Payburner's role is to build an excellent and sustainable payments platform leveraging the best in-class digital asset for payments, XRP. Access to brand new functionality can be found in the plugin menu found in the upper left corner of our funded Payburner account. Very interesting. Peer-to-peer payments. Enabling peer-to-peer payments is at the heart of what we do. Foundationally, this requires wallet functionality and the ability to instruct transfers. We're also excited to launch PayID, request for payment, and PayID network search. The wallet, just like our previous version of Payburner, the Payburner plugin, is a non-custodial wallet. In other words, you are your own bank. At Payburner HQ, we don't have access to your secrets or your passwords or your keys. On one hand, this is a big responsibility for our users. It requires individuals to safely store their JSON file and understand that there is no safety net if you lose your account details. On the other hand, this approach allows Payburner to fully empower the user and make their own decisions regarding their own money. Love it. Love it. PayID. We've implemented PayID within Payburner to make it incredibly easy to send payments to anyone with a PayID address. This allows simple payments outside the Payburner ecosystem. Every Payburner user gets to set their own PayID during sign-up. Sharing this PayID with others will allow them to send you payments from any wallet supporting PayID. Sending and receiving payments with PayID and Payburner is easy. Select Send Payment from the plugin menu. Input the PayID of who you are sending to and the amount of XRP to send. I don't know why that sentence messed me up then, sorry guys. But again, it's showing a little showcase of how it will look like. So a request for payment. You can now request payments from other Payburner users. Request for payment leverages the existing and growing network of Payburners. In the future, we will expand this request functionality to expand beyond Payburner's users to include all PayIDs. To make or fulfill a request, click the plugin menu and select Payment Requests. The plus icon will allow you to make a new request, enter the PayID of the user you're requesting from, the amount requested, and an optional message. Payburner leverages the encryption infrastructure leveraged by the XRP ledger to encrypt these messages on a peer-to-peer basis. Payburner cannot read these messages, but our system is aware of the requests. So there's that there, and the message is the 12-pack of Coors Light you owe me. Nice. Nice. Yo, send me 100 XRP, you owe me some Coors Light, you bastard. So the arrow icon will allow you to filter your requested payments between requests from you and requests to others. Click on the request to pay or reject. Clicking on pay will immediately send the specified amount of XRP to the requested user, or it is worth noting, clicking on pay will immediately send the specified amount of XRP to the requested user. Beware scams. People will be requesting money by scams just in the hope that people press yes by accident, not even realising it. Like, yo, send me 1,000 XRP. Pay what? Pay what? Oh shit, just sent 1,000 what? Payburner, just sent 1,000 XRP by accident. You can get it back. No, we told you. We told you. It's non-custodial. You are your own bank. Be careful. Be careful. It's great being your own bank. I fucking love it. You all know I love it, but you all know I also think you should be careful and you should have it split. Don't have just one vault. Don't have just one ledger. You've seen them. You've seen them. We've got ledgers, Ellipal, self keys. We've got all sorts of shit. They're all over the gaff. Sometimes I'm like, where the fuck is it? It's like, which one's that in? So Payburner ID in the network search. The network option in your plugin menu allows you to find people on Payburner. We'll expand this functionality over time to increase the scope of participants reachable using PayID to things like Twitter accounts. But for now, you can find other Payburner users to either send or request payments. Zone, Uphold, Coil. There's a few that you need to go to. PayID is a great start, don't get me wrong, and they'll expand the functionality over time to increase the scope of the participants reachable using PayID to things like Twitter accounts, Zoom accounts, Coil accounts, and hopefully a few more. E-commerce checkout experiences. We've taken the capabilities for one-click e-commerce payments from xsongs.store and opened them so that anyone with a website can receive XRP payments easily. You can read more about xsongs.store here. And the Payburner checkout experience allows payments from any XRP address, not just Payburner users. The only requirement is that the e-commerce merchant has a Payburner account. Initial supported use cases are online donations and e-commerce checkouts. Payburner users. As a Payburner user, you can enable one-click checkout experiences at any website using Payburner pay buttons. The websites xsongs.store and spud.store are examples of one-click e-commerce checkout experiences powered by Payburner. At Payburner, we wanted to make a real-world website that sold physical goods from scratch with the new Payburner pay button checkout experience. We decided on selling potatoes online like that. I saw potatoes. I was wondering what the fuck. You see me flip then because I'm reading ahead like on all the potatoes. Spud.store is a potato shop. Spud.store is a real website that sells potatoes using XRP as a medium of exchange. You can now try out the new purchase experience by buying some spuds at Spud.store. Oh man, I should have put two and two together when it was fucking read early on at Spud.store. Oh mate, you can now try out the new purchase experience by buying some spuds. You can buy real potatoes. If it's shipped anywhere in the US, it costs $5 worth of XRP. I'll try to ship potatoes as fast as orders come in. Oh, check it out to see what it's like to buy physical goods. The Spud store, mate. The Spud's $5 worth of XRP. Get yourself a potato, mate. Hobbies into revenue, lad. Hobbies into revenue, mate. I might get my carrots and spuds on there myself. Right, so as we roll out this beta launch, we expect a growing number of websites to accept payment XRP using Payburner for both digital goods like xsong.store and physical goods like spud.store. The future extends well beyond potato sales. Online merchants, if you've got a website or internet property that you'd like to monetize by receiving payments, Payburner Pay Buttons allows you to set up the payment experience easily. As an example, we created spud.store from scratch in less than 20 minutes. There's no sign-up process or bank account required. Oh my God, we've done our first WordPress integration with WooCommerce that allows simple integration to any WordPress-powered site. Excuse me. More integrations to come. Let us know which ones you want first. It's obvious, innit? Zoom, Facebook, Uphold, Coil. In your big shops. We'll put out more information shortly on how to create, manage and add these payment experiences to your website. Our business model. We're also experimenting with a beta version of a sustainable business model for Payburner. We expect to make money from the one-click merchant payout experience by increasing payments from merchants at 1% of their received XRP e-commerce purchases. Peer-to-peer payments and peer-to-peer requests are not charged any fee. Payburner does not have the ability to withdraw funds from any account, and we are not in the middle of any transactions. So we send requests to merchants for fee collection. A merchant can see the requested fee in the Pay Buttons plugin menu. The green button with an XRP balance is the amount owed to Payburner. Click the amount to pay the invoice. Craig DeWitt works in tech and believes in the Internet of Value. What a guy. What a guy. So again, guys, that's his side hustle. His fucking hobby. The guy works for Ripple, didn't need to do that. Could have just stayed at his Ripple desk all day doing Ripple work. But nah, he's gone home and he's like, yo, we need better e-commerce. We need one-click e-commerce. We need better e-commerce. So I'll be able to spend XRP on e-commerce. And I don't believe peer-to-peer people should be charged. We should only throw the fee on the merchant. Guy's a G. What a G. Craig, I salute you, my friend. Well fucking done. Deserve a medal, bro. Anyway, I'm going to try and come back on today with a little live or something. I've got a lot to do. I'm rearranging the desk. I've got to boot the PC back up. I've got to have a little look at a little bit of e-commerce myself, because we are going to be start offering home network services. As a lot of you know, I'm an electrician. I'm now making the bounce into data network. Done it before, just not as much as I should have. I'm working on my home network first, so I'll have something to showcase and brochure, if you like. And then I'll be installing home networks for other people, just to give them a base home network that's secure. You know, it's firewalled. You know, you've got control of it, and you know it's just easy enough to add to it. Also, security cameras and home security systems, power over internet security systems, power over ether, sorry, will fit camera systems that can have network capabilities. You can keep it locked to your own home, so you can't view it from anywhere else, or you can have it so you can be in Barbados on the beach watching your home cameras. It's entirely up to you. It is versatile. It can be adapted, and it's all just done to suit preference. So we'll be setting up a few consultations. There'll be a base price for the basic home network and 12 months support to go with that network. That's going to be about £400, £500, being honest, but the support comes with it. Half of that money is likely going to be equipment. So yeah, if you're interested in home networks and having one installed, getting a bit of support with it and how to extend it in the future, how to future-proof it, give me a little tinkle. Email, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, don't matter, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. In the meantime, invest in yourself. This whole video has been about a fucking Ripple employee's side hustle, mate. Side hustle. Seriously, invest in yourself. Please, invest in the Internet of Value. Live long and orderly until you're ready to let it go. Yeah? Wishing health and happiness to you and yours. Thanks for watching, as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.